Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a day in the life, like a vlog basically, because I love doing vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey guys, you guys should totally subscribe and join the very lonely family of YouTube. Anyways, we're going to be going apartment hunting, getting island cookies, and shopping, of course. We always love going shopping. I'm sorry if this light is so bright and harsh, but this is the only source of light. Otherwise I wouldn't be this dark. I'm not even sure if that's good enough. I don't know. So here is what I'm wearing. I have a Nike hat and a California Republic Adidas joggers. I'm getting island cookies today because I don't know, I get them for free, so it's might as well just do it right now. So yeah, okay, let's get to island cookies because I need to be going. I literally have a freaking low tire. It's negative, not even negative, but 11 degrees, but it feels negative 65. So, I don't know. Gosh dang it. I decided to change into my white Adidas for shoes today. Kind of sister scary, and oh god, let's get some alien cookies. Got the goods. Freaking hands are so cold. It is so cold outside, but I don't have winter coats or jackets or anything. So I guess since I just came back from Islands, I can give you guys a little haul. I got a chocolate chip. Oh wait, no. This is an M&M. This is an M&M chocolate chip and snickerdoodle. Sadly for me, I can't have any of these because they have sugar in it. So this kind of sucks, but yeah, let's go back home. That was kind of bad. Let me try that again. Hey guys, I kind of have a headache because we did so much crap. I'm going to basically break this down for you guys of what we all did. At the beginning, when we arrived, we went to apartment. I'm not going to say any names just because I don't know, security reasons, I don't know. But we went to one apartment, they're completely full, and they said they have listings, but they can't show any of them. Don't know why. I mean, I know why. There's people still living in there, and I feel girl, you should at least say that. And I don't know, they're just confusing. They're not in the right mindset. They're probably drunk. Then we went to a different apartment, and we met up with this guy, and he showed us a 1-bedroom apartment and what the 2-bedroom apartment would look like. I mean, I like it. It's clean, it's nice, it's simple. And then on the same apartment complex, there is a 2-bedroom where it's a little bit upgraded and a little bit more expensive, but you get 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. And that's what we were kind of looking for, maybe possibly a 3-bedroom, but 2-bedroom was completely fine. It's really nice. I like it. I try to film some of it, but there was a guy still living in there, but he was about to move anyway. But I just didn't want to make him uncomfortable showing his stuff in his house, even though there's barely anything in there. So I tried filming some of it. My mom walked in front of the camera, and so yeah, there's basically going to be black box just floating in the air. So we're basically pretty much attached to that apartment. We really like it, and we decided to start looking at some dishes and other furniture for it. So we first ate at a Chinese buffet. Knowing myself, I chose to go to a buffet house because I freaking love Chinese food. Chinese food is so good. I just love Chinese food so much. So after we ate, we went to Marshall's to look at some decor stuff. Marshall's is basically a home goods store where it just like has home stuff for your home. They have like glasses and everything, so we're looking at that, just giving like any perspective. So we're at Home Goods right now, and just, oh my god. Anyways, we went to Marshall's and we went to TJ Maxx. I also, yes, I did get a haircut, and surprise! I cut all my hair off. I cut 4.5 inches off. It was so crazy and really traumatic and very kind of sad because I haven't had a haircut in like 11 months. So it was almost a year, but I was getting real tired of it. We're back home now, and I'm gonna recap you guys after my phone died. We went to TJ Maxx. I was trying to get to that part, but I'm not sure where I left off. So we went to TJ Maxx. I got a few things. And by few, I mean one. So I tried on some shorts. I tried 3 different pairs of shorts. I tried a medium and a small of the same shorts and a medium of a different Adidas shorts. And I didn't like any of them. It felt really long and I just didn't like it. So I decided to get something else that's Adidas, and I got an Adidas water bottle. So that's what I got. It was nope, not 2. It's $8.99. So I guess, I don't know, I needed a new water bottle. I did have like a bigger version of this. It kind of broke, and so I decided to get a new one. So that's that. So after that, we went to Starbucks and I got a Very Berry hibiscus, and as you can see, there's no berries. It's literally like water. It was clear water. It was basically just water. Didn't have any berries, so it looked weird. Usually there's berries and it's red, like this color. It was like a maroon color, but there's not. They ran out of berries, and they didn't even tell me. I was like, is there supposed to be berries in this? He's like, no, we ran out of berries. I was like, okay, you don't need to yell at me, okay, girl? Like, we chill. I go here all the time. Like, I'm not gonna give you a bad review. Now I am after you yelled at me. Kind of rude. So after my Starbucks run, I mean, it tasted the same thing, okay? Like, it was fine. So now I'm kind of hyped up, and because I was tired and I wanted to drink something, so that's that. And after Starbucks, we went to the mall, and I don't think I really filmed anything from there. And then we went to go eat again because I'm always hungry. I'm constantly hungry. If you know me, I don't eat a lot. Even though I love food and I'm constantly hungry, I only eat twice a day, and I don't snack at all. So that's like basically what my diet consists of. I'm really sorry, this is like really bad lighting. Ugh. Anyways, moving on. We went to go eat at Pepper Jack's, and my sister decided to fill up my water all the way, and now it was overfilling and it spilled on the table, and my sister was constantly laughing when we were walking out of the what's it place, because I was like having a hard time vlogging and opening the door because it was very windy out and I almost fell. So you can hear my sister laughing. Shut up. It ain't that funny. I like to say that I don't think that's my sister's laugh. I mean, I've known her for like 13 years or how long she's been alive, and she's never laughed like that, so I really don't know why she's laughing like that. She's sitting right next to my computer laughing. And that's basically it. After that we went home. And I got a little package that was for free. I turned 18 this year, so I'm basically an adult besides where I'm from. So I got a razor, happy 18th birthday, from, I don't even know how to say that name, but I see this brand everywhere. Don't know how to say it, but I got a yellow razor. I actually love the color yellow. Yellow is like one of my like favorite colors. Black is my all-time favorite color, but like if I had to choose a color, I pick yellow. I have 2 yellow sweatshirts, and I don't know, it just like really makes me happier, I guess. And this is what it looks like. So this is what the razor looks like. I do have a Harry's razor that I use, but yeah, I don't know, I just love the color yellow, and I really like the color and the look of it. And it's metal too. Oh my god, this is like a brand deal. I don't even know how they knew my freaking address. Okay. That's basically all I got. I literally just got a water bottle and this and food. Oh yeah, and I went to Eileen Cookies today. I kind of forgot about that. That was like really early in the morning. It was like 9 o'clock. So that's like my little haul. I really don't know anything else. I mean, usually I love vlogging, but I can't really vlog because my life isn't that interesting. But if you guys want to like see more vlogs of me like just chillaxing at my house, I have plenty of time to film those. Oh yeah, guys, let me just like rant to you for a little bit. I have to go to a winter ball tomorrow, and with me having social anxiety, this isn't good. I'm gonna have a meltdown. I'm literally gonna cry. I'm going to cry. I'm planning on it. I'm ready, okay? I'm not gonna wear any makeup because might as well just not wear it because I'm gonna freaking cry it off. I don't really wear makeup. I don't know why I said that. I just want to sound dramatic, you know? Ooh, I have a new sweatshirt. It's called Daydreamer. Oh. I was recapping my life. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, I got this sweatshirt last week. Can you leave? Thanks. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this vlog. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, join the Lonely family, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.